Yep, Sunset Summit hike, Pilot Butte State Scenic Viewpoint. Yeah, so it's 1 mile up and 1 mile down. We're going to do the nature trail, not the road, because it is summer now and the road's open to cars and we don't want to see any cars.
Yeah. And we also want it to be a pretty scene up there.
Yeah. Okay, let's head over.
So guys, we are at the gym!
Here's Paige's favorite part.
Okay. I need to get up to the big bar. Ready?
Sure. Jeez. Wow. Hey, little upside down junior trekker.
Hi.
So here's what we're going up. Here's a little view from the bottom. The trail winds up the side. And since it's sunset, we're going to have one side of shade and one side of sun. Little warm up. Okay, you ready to hit the trail?
Yeah.
We better do it before it's going to get too dark.
Let's go. So guys, I had to take my coat off.
So, do you know what we're hiking? It is an extinct cinder cone. It's 450 feet high.
Oh, and up here, there's a motion sensor that detects how many people walk by. And last time I'm like this.
Since this trail's right in the center of Bend.
Yeah.
It's right in the center. How many times do you think we've hiked this? Literally hundreds. Yeah, this is a regular trail for us. So we're on the shady side now. Already starting to gain a little elevation. You can see some smoke out on the horizon. There's a fire over by Lake Billy Chinook. Oh, jackrabbit! Right there.
Look how big it is.
Jackrabbit. We just saw one.
Aren't they huge?
It was so
Yeah.
cute.
Dirty little bunnies that are living under your porch.
So we just saw a jackrabbit, but
It didn't go.
I didn't catch much of it.
Oh, here's the motion sensor.
Oh, here's the motion sensor that they just put in here. I guess it counts people. That's St. Charles Hospital there. That's where Paige was born.
If you guys didn't know, I'm almost 11 in like 4 weeks or something.
Just about 3 weeks. You're going to be 11 years old. And we're going to be on the southern Oregon coast for her
And we
birthday.
are going to film a video on a
Several.
trail.
Yeah, we better get up there.
So you guys can see the sunset with us.
Oh, look at this sun coming through the trees, Paige. Hey, you want to stop at this bench? Since Pilot Butte's kind of right in the middle of town, it gives you a great view, like a 360-degree view of everything. Really shows Bend. So if you're going to do one thing if you're visiting Bend, you should come up Pilot Butte. Spring, summer, fall, you can drive up.
In the winter.
Other times you gotta walk, but it's best to walk, for sure. We're getting to the sunny side of the butte.
Which way are you going? We get over to the
So
left.
every time we go to Pilot Butte, for some weird reason, there are gems.
Gems, yeah.
On the rock?
She finds these little rocks, these little gems.
I feel like somebody's putting them there, but I don't know if I'll see them again. But like every time I find like 1, 2, or 3, we'll show you the rocks once we get up to them.
Okay, if we find any.
Yeah.
Out here, we're getting near the top. You can see Mount Bachelor.
I don't know.
Right next to that is Tumalo Mountain. And then you got Broken Top, South Sister, Middle Sister, North Sister. This is Aubrey Butte, right in town. Do you like Pilot Butte?
I love Pilot Butte.
Actually, right up here, we'll be able to see where we shot our very first video. Bessie Butte. It's funny because from the top of Bessie Butte, Pilot Butte looks small. And from the top of Pilot Butte, Bessie Butte looks small. It's really weird. And that blue sky with the green juniper. So, the rocks Paige was just talking about. Let's see. You found another one.
And it's not fake? We didn't place it here?
No. She's got so many of these.
Wait.
Look at this one.
It says pause. Enjoy Central Oregon. Ain't it a beaut?
Ain't it a beaut?
Donated in the spirit of volunteerism. Scott, Olivia, Ariel, and Connor Steele.
Cool. Glad they donated it. It's a nice little spot with a great view. This is the view from the bench. You can see the shadow of Pilot Butte right there, which is really cool. So it's hard to see, but that's Bessie Butte right there. Another video that we are going to do is Lava Butte, which is that one, and then kind of goes over toward the sisters again. So what did we run into at the top? People everywhere. Made it to the top. And, okay, we'll do the ramp. There we go, Paige. Right at the top. Right for sunset.
After the sunset, though.
I'm sure. Got the sunset. Now we're gonna head back down. Get down before it gets dark, huh?
And when we get home, I get french fries.
Okay. Oh, the color out there. Look at all the little lights are coming on. Is someone flossing on the bench? Let me see who this is.
Yeah!
What is this? Oh, I know what this is. It's a pageberry tree. Oh, I'm gonna pick one. Hi.
Hi.
We made it.
finished the Pilot Butte hike.
We did.
It is very dark out.
Yeah, it's kind of, hopefully this shows up. It's a little grainy.
And I'm also glad we got to share the sunset with you guys.
Yep. And we'll see you again.
Next time on our great adventures on Junior Trekker.
Yay!